Hello everyone. In this demo, we are showcasing a practical use case that highlights the API capabilities of UiPath and how they can be leveraged to automate platform monitoring. Let us begin with the story of Anand, a UiPath consultant. He was responsible for monitoring multiple automation environments. Every week, he would manually log into UiPath Orchestrator, navigate through folders, export reports, and review robot connectivity and job failures. While Orchestrator provided all the necessary operational information, the process of compiling insights was repetitive and time consuming. Instead of accepting manual monitoring as a routine task, Anand leveraged UiPath's officially supported Orchestrator REST APIs. He built an automation that retrieves health metrics programmatically, consolidates them into a structured report, and highlights operational risks. The result was clear. Monitoring became automated, issues detection became proactive, and his time shifted from reporting to problem solving and optimization. We will be covering the following contents in this video. The objective of this process is to automate the health check and monitoring of UiPath orchestrator environments using officially supported orchestrator APIs. UiPath Orchestrator provides detailed operational data such as job execution status, robot connectivity status, machine availability, license consumption, queue statistics, process and release information. While all this information is available within the orchestrator UI, extracting and compiling it manually across multiple folders or tenants can be time consuming and inefficient. This solution demonstrates how API-driven automated process can convert manual monitoring into a centralized automated health check report. Let us understand how this solution works. UiPath provides secure REST APIs for Orchestrator that allow authenticated access to operational data. Some of the supported API capabilities include retrieving job details and execution status, fetching robot and machine connection status, monitoring queue statistics, checking license usage, accessing process and release information. In this use case, the bot authenticates securely within UiPath Orchestrator using token-based authentication. It calls relevant orchestrator API endpoints, it retrieves real-time operational data, it consolidates this information into a structured health check report. This report highlights anomalies such as high job risk failure, disconnected robots, license utilization spikes, and inactive machines. This transforms reactive manual monitoring into proactive automated governance. This approach aligns with UiPath's recommended practices around operational visibility, governance, and scalable enterprise automation management. Now let's talk about the business challenges that our bot tackles. No centralized orchestrator health visibility. In an environment with multiple folders, processes, or even multiple tenants, monitoring requires navigating different sections within Orchestrator. Without automation or consolidated dashboard, gaining a single unified view of operational health can be inefficient. Absence of historical usage insights. While Orchestrator provides logs and job data deriving meaningful historical patterns requiring exporting or analyzing data separately, without structured reporting, identifying trends over time becomes manual and time intensive. License overutilization risk. UiPath licenses such as unattended runtime or robot licenses have defined allocation limits. Without continuous monitoring, organization risk runtime contention, delayed job execution, or inefficient license allocation. Risking job failure rates. An increase in job failures may indicate application changes, credential issues, infrastructure instability, or business rule updates. Without automated reporting or trend visibility, these patterns may go unnoticed until impact business operation. Undetected robot disconnection. Robot can become disconnected due to machine shutdown, network issues, or several interruptions. If not proactively monitored, unattended processes may fail to execute as scheduled. Manual monitoring overhead. Manual monitoring typically involves logging into Orchestrator, navigating multiple tabs, exporting data, preparing reports, and escalating issues. This consumes valuable consultant or support time that could instead be used for optimization and problem resolution. Now let's talk about how an API process flow works in UiPath. So the overall process flow of a solution is as follows. The bot is triggered either via schedule or manually. It authenticates securely to UiPath Orchestrator and generates an access token. It calls the required REST API endpoints. It analyzes the API responses, Then it generates a consolidated health summary report. After consolidating, it sends the same report to all the stakeholders via email. By implementing this ready-to-use solution, the business will benefit from the following positive impacts, such as reduced downtime and faster recovery, reduced manual monitoring effort, proactive issue detection, and real-time orchestrator visibility. So now let's jump in and let us look at the solution in action. In this demo, we will see a ready-to-use solution that performs secure authentication to UiPath Orchestrator, API calls can be triggered, real-time extraction of job and robot data, automated report generation. So as you can see that this is the orchestrator where all the processes have been deployed and all the machines have been implemented. Now let's go to the configuration file and see the organizational level configuration. So as you can see that we have an organization level configuration maintained securely within the orchestrator asset as well as the data present in the configuration file. So once we execute the bot from UiPath Assistant, the bot retrieves data such as status count, session status count, count statistics, and job details in real time. After the report is generated, it automatically sends the email to the designated stakeholders. Hmm. So for this demonstration, we have these three files. So for session status, the report displays the count of machines that are available, busy, disconnected, or unresponsive. For count statistics, it provides us the number of deployed processes, total assets, total queues, and scheduled jobs. And finally, for the job details, it summarizes job executions, categorizes successful, faulted, running, pending, stopped, etc. So using this structured information, corrective and preventive actions can be taken in timely manner. At Avaali, we have similar bright minds like Anand who are dedicated to finding better automation driven solutions for complex business challenges. If your organization is looking to implement automated solutions that provide operation visibility, efficiency, and governance, please feel free to connect with us. We would be happy to assist you in your automation journey. Thank you.